Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the song 96 Quite Bitter Beings by the band CKY, a song that maybe many of you know after the video game Tony Hawk. To play in the original key, we're going to need to tune down the guitar half step down, all the strings, in a way that we get on the first string an E flat, on the second a B flat, on the third a G flat, on the fourth a D flat, on the fifth an A flat, and the sixth an E flat. Anyway, to do this video I'm not going to tune down the guitar, I'm going to play in standard tuning, so just take your guitar and let's begin. We are going to start playing an E minor on this way. We put with the pinky finger the 7th fret on the 5th string, and at the same time the 5th fret on the 4th string with the middle finger, and the 4th fret on the 3rd string with the index finger. After that we're going to play the string 6 and 5 at the same time, and we have the pinky there, but we're going to leave the index finger and the middle finger. We just have to leave them, but we have them ready because right after we need them again on the same place. So there we have the first 2 beats of the measure. Okay, so after that we put back the index and the middle finger on the same place, and we play on the right hand the strings 5, 4, 3. Then we lift the middle and the pinky finger, but we have the index finger left. And we play the 5th fret on that 3rd string, and back to the 4th. So now from the beginning we have like this. Play it one more time. Okay, and after that we play the same thing on the 4th string, the 5th and 4th, 5th on the 5th string, and we come to the 3rd fret on that 5th string with the index finger. So that melody sounds like this. Okay, and they play pretty fast, so it's better if you practice alternating the pick. So when we start all that chord, we play down stroke, up stroke, down, up, down. Okay. So there we have the first measure and the first tone of the second measure. So now let's try to play together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so then when we come to the second measure, we play that 3rd fret on the 5th string. With the ring finger we play the 5th fret on the 4th string, as we want to play a power chord. And now with the pinky finger we play a slide to the 7th fret on the 3rd string. Okay, after that we play the 5th fret on the same string, and the 4th. Okay, so I play from the beginning. And now let's try to play that part together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, and to end that second measure, after that 4th fret, we play the 7th fret on the 4th string with the pinky finger, 5th fret with the middle finger, and we play again that 4th fret on the 3rd string, but we have to do a slide to that fret. And we end playing again the 5th fret on the 4th string. So when I play the whole second measure, sounds like this. Okay. So now I'm going to play the measure 1 and 2. I play one time and then we try together. Nice, so now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time, at the same tempo. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, and we just have to keep repeating the same riff. So now let's try to play it a little bit faster, and we play it 2 times. We can play like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and... Repeat. Let's try to play it again on the same tempo, and we play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and... Repeat. Okay, and that's the main riff of the song. And when they play the verse, it's really easy. We just have to play an E5, and that's putting a half bar on the 2nd fret on the strings 5 and 4. And on the right hand, we play the 6th string, 5 and 4. Okay, and we play that chord 4 times with this rhythm. Okay, between every chord we have a rest, so we have to lift. And with the left hand, we're going to mute the strings. And that's the measure 3. And then we come to the measure 4, and that's putting a half bar on the 4th fret on the strings 6 and 5. And then you can use the ring finger or the pinky finger, the one that works better for you, to play the 5th fret on the 4th string. And we play that only 3 times, that chord. And that's the verse. So when we put together the measure 3 and 4, sounds like this. Let's try to play it together. We can play it 2 times. Measure 3, 4, and repeat. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and... And that was 96 Quite Bitter Beings by CKY. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos like this one. And if you enjoyed this lesson, just leave me a comment and give it a thumbs up. I remind you that if you want to download the tabs of the song, you're going to find them in my website, EasyGuitarTube.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.